Hello, my name is Will Wheeler. I am the current program chair for the Ground Transportation Department down here at Vermont Technical College. In addition to being the current chair, I'm also a graduate of the program. I'm speaking to you today from our shop here in Randolph, Vermont, located just down the hill from our main campus. If you choose to come to Vermont Tech and study ground transportation, this is where you're going to be completing your labs. The reason I'm speaking to you today is because I want you to consider taking the next step towards becoming either an automotive or diesel technician and coming to Vermont Tech. Here at Vermont Tech, or VTC, ground transportation is the name that we give to our automotive and our diesel programs when we're talking about them as a whole. We offer an associate's degree in automotive technology and in diesel power technology. If you choose to come here as a student, then you'll choose which one of these two degrees that you want to pursue. I'm going to start by talking about the auto program because alphabetical order. However, those of you possibly interested in diesel, keep listening. Most of this will apply to you as well. The program is designed to require no previous experience. In your first semester, you'll take classes in suspension and steering, preventative maintenance, and vehicle electronics. Second semester, we'll get into brakes and alignments, engine diagnostics and repair, and more vehicle electronics. In fact, you'll be studying vehicle electronics in some way every semester that you're here. Why? Because unlike 20 to 30 years ago, our vehicles are becoming more and more dependent on their electronic systems to operate correctly. A top-tier technician is someone who can accurately diagnose electrical issues in a vehicle, not just someone who can change brakes quickly. During the summer between your first and second years, you are expected to complete a 400-hour internship, doing something in the automotive field. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to volunteer somewhere. We're fully expecting and encouraging you to find a paid internship position. The purpose of this is to give you a chance to practice the skills that you have learned during your first year, as well as get some experience to put on your resume. A number of our students end up returning to those internships after graduation as a first employer. In your second year, you will study engine performance, body electronics in the fall. Your final semester at VTC, you'll continue to study engine performance and diagnostics, as well as drivetrains and hybrid or electric vehicles. Throughout the entirety of your time at VTC, you'll also need to complete various English, math, and science classes to fulfill the requirements for your associate's degree. Now, let's talk about the diesel program. Your first year will mostly mirror the auto program. You'll be taking classes in steering, suspension, alignment, brakes, the diesel engine, and of course, electrical. Your electrical classes will be shared with students in the automotive program, but the other classes will be specific to diesel or heavy-duty equipment. For example, with steering and suspension, the automotive students will be focusing on cars and light-duty trucks, while you would be focusing on medium or heavy-duty trucks and off-road equipment. During the summer, you're also expected to complete an internship for 400 hours. This is for the exact same reasons as the automotive students. During your second year, you'll take classes in diesel engine performance and diagnostics, hydraulics, body electronics, and transmissions or drivetrains. Many of our diesel students choose to take the automotive class in hybrids and electric vehicles as well. As many of you know, there are already electric drive rigs out there running regular routes as well as electric buses. A little bit about VTC. VTC is located in Randolph, Vermont, which is actually the geographic center of the state. Now, we're a fully functional college campus. We have everything you need to live right here. Dorm space, cafeteria, workout facility, pool, all of that. We're close to the Bass Trails if you want to bring snowmobiles. VTC even has its own ski slope. In conclusion, I'd like to encourage you once again to consider coming to VTC if you're interested in becoming either an automotive or a diesel technician.